Welcome back, friends. So happy that you are here. We have a final clean with me and saving tip video. This is part 4. So excited that you're here today. If you're new to my channel, I'm Lydia Farr, the budget lady, fearless mama living a budget. I am here to help you save money. So if this is your jam, please share me some love and hit that subscribe button. As I mentioned from my previous video, from part 1 and 2, I do not buy paper towels. That's where I save the money. I'm using my microfiber cloth that I love, and it's great with dusting and polishing. It does save you time. It picks up really well, and I'm super happy with it. You should definitely check it out, try it out. I'll link the product below. I got it at Amazon. I am not sponsored by them, but I just love to share what works. I love this coffee table. It's one of my favorite furniture that my husband built. It's funny, he's actually a musician and he never took any woodworking classes or anything like that, but we actually built this together. He bought it made out of pine wood and went to Home Depot. We already had the black paint, so I helped him paint it. So it was a nice couple project, and we actually spent this probably under $80. So the bottom part was part of my china cabinet. I got rid of the top part and I kept the bottom. And I asked my husband to, again, build me another furniture. And we saw this idea actually at Wawa. They had a TV with an entertainment center. And we thought, oh, this is a really cool idea. Let's make it. And this saves us a lot of money by doing that. And that turtle tank you just saw there, my husband built the cabinet too. Can you believe when you go to the pet store to buy a fish cabinet, it is so expensive. We're talking about like $500 to $1,000 for that cabinet, and I'm glad that my husband got to build it. These end tables was a hand-me-down, and I upcycled it. I painted it black. Buying frames and getting your wedding photos framed, it costs lots of money. So let me tell you, this project only cost me $60. I printed the pictures at Walgreens, and then the frames I went to Goodwill and I bought different sizes of frames, and I actually spray painted and matted black, and it came out so great and it looks so good for just $60. Welcome to my family room. This is where my husband loved to chill with the doggies and watch some sports. This beautiful tray you see there on my ottoman, my husband built that for me. He just got into the woodwork. And also, I don't know if you see where the lamp is. That's actually a doggy crate. So he made me an end table doggy crate. I used to use the nozzle to clean my furniture, but you know what? Using it this way is quicker and better. Do you have an electric fireplace? Ours are plug-in. I love it. We have a bi-level home, so this section of the house is part brown and it gets cold. So to save some money, we use actually this guy, and he heats up pretty good instead of cranking up the heating. you guys use this method, I use a basket as I clean whatever stuff that doesn't belong in the room. I throw everything in the basket and then I transfer it to this big table. I sort where they belong to and I take it back home. This saves you quick time. Who doesn't love saving time? Leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and for following me and subscribing. I do enjoy making videos like this for you. Have a wonderful holiday, happy Thanksgiving, and God bless.